Hi guys, here we are. I am going to go through my graphics card. My trusty scissors, hopefully they're trustworthy. Quickly go through some little basic things, unbox them and talk a little bit more. GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit, graphics card or the video card. It does all the graphics rendering. If you do a lot of gaming, video work, it's really good to have a good graphics card. If those sort of things aren't really a priority for you, you may not need to go out and get a really good graphics card. They can get quite expensive. So I've got a 4 gig, I think that's going to be sufficient for me. Depending on the quality of your GPU will also result in the resolution that you can play on. More expensive GPUs, so probably ones that are more intended for gamers and video editors, etc, will come with heatsink fans as well, so that's something to look for. I got it from PB Tech, which is a computer store here in New Zealand. I bought this for $642.85. This is one of the high-end ones. I could have gotten away with getting a cheaper one, but I don't know. Go big or go home. Let's get into builds. If you're probably entry level, we'll be looking at spending about $160 to maybe $240. You could probably play modern games on medium, some to high settings. For a mid-level build, you could be spending about $240 to $400. You could probably be playing modern games on high to max settings. I would say a high-level build might be around $500 to $800. Anyway, of course, with the high-level build, high-level budget, you'll be playing your games on high max settings, and it will support multi-monitor gaming systems, so you can have more monitors doing whatever you want. Unboxing time! Unboxing! I can't open this with one hand. How's that? Ah, damn it. Beep. I should probably read the box first. I'm not prepared at all. Oh my gosh! EVGA, GeForce, GTX 970. There was more airflow with less power. Lower GPU temperature means increased headroom for overclocking. Double ball bearings give you up to 4 times the lifespan of competitors. Oil sleeve fans. I didn't actually know about that. When I was researching into this, ball bearings and oil fans didn't even come up, so that's new. Opening time! Not gonna fit. I'm just gonna open it like this. Ah, sleeves, stop it. Oil sleeves. I wonder if that was important. EVGA offers direct customer service. That's another thing to look out for. Good brands will offer good customer service. You want that. Work for that money. My friend also told me that I shouldn't take things out of the static bag. What's in the static bag? Everything. Can you see that? Enthusiast build. I'm sorry, I keep putting emphasis on a lot of things. Whoa, I got a poster. Big book. Books are sort of good. CD. Things sticker. User guide. Warranty. More things. I don't know if you can see my face. Can you see my face, or are you just seeing half my face? That's pretty much that. Cable, pins, cables, you know, those things. Okay, so it comes with all that. But then you gotta know about me. I'm a very paranoid, cautious sort of person. Ugh. Like, it smells new. Smells new and plasticky. What else do I need to show? Nothing. Oop. Rubbish. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'd really appreciate it if you could like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you've used this, if you've got this, please share below. Or if you've got any other recommendations that you'd like to share. Yeah, so once again, thank you so much. I'm actually quite excited about this GPU. I know that I could have gotten a cheaper one. I plan to keep this one for a while. And yeah, so thanks again. See you later. Bye.